Marry Olivia Dunn, but she sounds like Morgan Freeman.
I can smell you.
Live in this house, but you have to comment your phone percentage. Be Superman, but be hunted down by Chuck Norris. Win the lottery, but the first person who appears when you click share, then more passes away. Stop world hunger, but it costs you $200. Get the new iPhone 15, but it has Android emojis. Win $100, but you have to stomp on Lego every time. Have the ability to stop time, but your mother passes away. Have Chuck Norris abilities, but it costs you $10.